some of the steps in, but never mind that. So here is Joyous Reed on USDNC talking to Democrat Congresswoman and radical from JFK.
So here's the thing that's happening in the conversation on immigration on the ground level.
On the ground.
Polling, and we don't know how reliable it is.
Polling.
Installed exhaust.
The
close part, you have to authorities put the glove up. Put two hands around the glove to make sure that it looks like you're going to catch the ball. So number open.
Here we go.
Stymuluje wytwarzanie kolagenu. Morpheus 8 jest urządzeniem skutecznym w usuwaniu drobnych zmarszczek zjadczałej skóry.
Oh my god.
Medicare? Soy David Muñoz, expert insurance. Medicare. Thus, an expert insurance team hemos ayudado a miles de personas.
Yeah, right there.
Le explicamos cómo inscribirse en Medicare y cómo recibir.
Let's hear how it sounds, huh? I can adjust the speed. I just have to find a resistor that controls it and put a pot in there. But you can tune each node to whatever frequency you want, right? So you have full control. It's like programmable. You just take the power off and put it where you want to adjust it.
Oh, it didn't actually touch.
And then set the voltage wherever you got blank space in between. Or you can just set it to all keys.
You can't fall over catch it. I'll tell her like twice. You can't do it. You just can't. James, Amber.
Right there. That's good. I like that. That's good.
Harry was doing a play-by-play on me.
Got a lot of baseball today, huh?
That's here. Ian
Let's just set this
coming in
down.
for Ian tonight. We'll keep you updated on Game 6 of the Stanley Cup Final and plenty.
Probably don't beer.
A lot of radio in Chicago. That's pretty good. Let's try it. I like how it slows down.
Chicago, they're all on the RX type.
I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Thank you for watching.